Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 1.2, Dick Whittington and his cat. It is a very story. This lesson is a story based on of an English folklore or English legend. Okay, which is related to superstition. This story is related to a superstition of particular of an particular ethnic or particular population, particular which is related to particular poverty. Okay, this less particular ethnic population. Okay, and which is the English folklore. And in this story here it is based on the rags to riches, means poverty to wealth, wealthy or richness. Okay, means how this one can, if he is poor, then one can change his life into richness. Okay, means like this way the story is based on the rags to riches. It tells us about this story tells us about the rise of Dick Whittington from his poverty-stricken childhood to the post of Mayor of London. Post of Mayor of London Dick Whittington. He was really a poverty-stricken person in his childhood, but when from this poverty-stricken childhood to he reached to the post of Mayor of London. Really, it is a very inspiring story, and it the story convey the message for you of inspiration, or you can motivate to from this story. Okay, now today we are going to learn this story. See everyone, open page number 6. See first paragraph of the story. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington, who lived in a small village in the south of England. There was once a poor boy, very poor boy. Here his name is Dick Whittington, who lived in a small village. Who lived in a very small village in the south of England. Means south part of England. There was a small village, and here lived the Dick Whittington, who was very poor boy. He had no proper home. मतलब उसका अच्छा घर भी नहीं था. For both his parents had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. And his parents had died. Okay, his parents had died. मतलब उसको कोई भी नहीं था. And he was kindly treated by many of the villagers. And he was only alone, and that's why many of his villager kind him, treated him very unkindly. Unkindly means here badly. Means जो भी villagers थे उसको बहुत ही बुरी तरह से बर्ताव करते थे. One day Dick overheard someone says that streets of London were paved with golden, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up. Dick overheard. One day Dick overheard. Overheard means he listened from to other. Means he heard someone from about something. He heard someone from about something that was not meant for once year only. Okay, मतलब किसी से कानों कान से उसने सुना था. लंदन मीन्स दैट स्ट्रीट ऑफ लंदन वेर पेव्ड. पेव्ड मीन्स covered. Paved. See, write down meaning. Paved means covered. COVERED. Covered with gold, and decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the streets. And so he decided, when he overheard that about this something, means that street of London was covered with the gold. Street of London was covered with the gold. And that time he decided that he would go there, and that's why he decided he would go there at once and pick his fortune up. Pick his fortune up. मतलब वो बहुत ही गरीब थे और उसने ऐसे सोचा कि वो वहाँ जाके वो बहुत सारा जो सोना है वो कलेक्ट करेंगे और उसका जो भी नसीब है वो अच्छी तरह से उजालेंगे. Fortune up in gold pieces from the streets. Means he can collect their pick that gold pieces from the street and can means his fortune up. Okay, fortune means luck. Okay, fortune means luck. Okay, for he thought people might treat him more kindly, and he thought that if he got that, he will pick up these gold pieces from the street and pick up his fortune. Means pick up his fortune means pick up his luck. मतलब उसका नसीब अच्छी तरह से बदल जाएगा और वो रिच बनेंगे. And maybe that after that, if he become rich, then people might treat him more kindly. And if he become rich होने के बाद लोग उसकी तरह से मतलब उसके साथ अच्छी तरह से बर्ताव करेंगे. Means people treat him more kindly if he were rich. So young Dick set out to walk to London, and he set out means he start to walk to London. Street of means on the way of London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. I have no home, Dick answered. I am on my way in London to find my fortune. So young Dick set out to walk to London. He started to walk to the way of London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped. And while he was walking on the way of London, that time one cart stopped near to Dick Whittington and asked him if he was running away from. वो घर से भाग रहा था क्या, उसने पूछा. I have no home, and Dick answered because he have no home, and that's why he is going to the way to London to find his fortune, to find his luck. Okay, means he is going to London to find his luck. He gave the answer to the cartman. Okay. I am going to London myself, said the carter. Jump up here beside me and we will journey together. And that carter said to Dick Whittington, he is also going to London himself. And he said to Dick Whittington, jump up here and beside him, and sit here in the cart, we will journey together. Who said? Carter said to Dick Whittington. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue the next part of the story. Everyone read this lesson.